Hey singers, it's Lara from VoxTape Studios, an online singing studio for shy and aspiring singers where we help turn them into confident and original and authentic singers and artists. Today, we're going to teach you how to harmonize, and to help with that, I have Coach Juliana, Coach Savvy, and Coach Kate with me here today. They're amazing coaches at our lovely little studio, and so they're going to help us figure out how to harmonize.
What is harmonizing? Well, it's the ability a musician has to be able to hear different notes that are going to sound really nice with the original melody of a song. For example, it's your ability to sing maybe a little bit higher or a little bit lower than the melody and still sound like you're singing in the chord and in tune.
So for today's exercise, we use the song Somebody Love by Queen. They have this amazing little moment there where they're building these harmonies, and we altered it a little bit, but it's very similar. And so what we did is we're literally just building a chord. And that's the easiest way, I would say, to harmonize. When you're just parallel, like singing exactly the same melody, just a little bit higher or a little bit lower. And that's the easiest way to harmonize, right? So let's have a look at how the exercise goes.
Find me somebody to love.
So that's the lowest harmony. For everyone who likes to sing low, sing that one.
Find me somebody to love.
Here we're on the third, so in the middle, mezzos, right there.
Find me somebody to love.
Here on the fifth, a little bit higher, we're beautifully building that chord. Sopranos up here.
Find me somebody to love.
This is the seventh. This is probably the most difficult one to sing, and also the melody here is just a little bit different.
Find me somebody to love.
Then here, if you're singing with other people, everybody sing together. If you're singing by yourself, then just pick whichever one you'd like to do, I would say. Or alternate.
Try them all.
Try them all.
Try them all.
All right, let's try the exercise together.
Find me somebody to love. 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 Find me somebody to love.
All right, well done. Were you able to stay in that beautiful little harmony that you were supposed to stay in? I hope so. If not, keep practicing it. The more you do this, the easier it gets, truly. It is a little bit tricky at first when you've never harmonized before. Just keep practicing it, and you got this. If you are interested at all in working one-on-one with one of us, check out the link in the description below where you can book a session with us. We would absolutely love to sing with you and help you on your vocal journey. Check out these videos next for some more vocal exercises, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and like this video if you enjoyed this exercise. Thank you so much for singing with us, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!